Hey everyone, so I'm making a quick video here in case you have a PS3 controller that's all wacky. So I'm gonna turn on the sorry, not the PS3 but the controller, and you'll see everything's gonna start going a little wacky. Buttons are gonna start, you see how things are starting to change, and buttons. I'm not pressing anything here, it's just doing stuff. Line changes in the hockey game. So buttons are being pressed without the controller being touched. You can see I'm not touching the controller. Things are happening, line changes are happening, all sorts of weird things. Let's go back into... see, I just went into the menu and it just doing whatever it wants. It going into reviews, instant replays and everything. So I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this issue. It's pretty simple. I learned this trick a long time ago by fluke. So I'll show you guys how to do this. It works at least 90% of the times. This won't fix issues with analogs. If your analog's messed up, or let's say your D-pad, like it's going left to right or up and down or whatever, this won't fix it. But if random buttons are being pressed, the start button, select button, square X, the bumpers and all that, the L1, R1 buttons, this will probably get fixed 90% of the 90% of the time. So I'll show you how to fix it in a few seconds. So here's the video I promised you guys to complete. There is the controller here. I showed you guys I was acting all weird. I wasn't pressing buttons and it was just going haywire. So I'll open it up and show you guys what the problem usually is. Like I mentioned, this won't fix analog issues, but buttons being randomly pressed. So these controllers have 5 screws, so we'll unscrew them. And you don't need much for the fix. You need a Q-tip, or what I like to use is some kind of cloth. And I also use these shipping labels, but you can use any type of, I guess, paper or something that you're able to fold in a way to give a little bit of thickness. So you unscrew it, and this is what the inside of the controller looks like. For scrapping purposes, nothing too special in here. Very limited amounts of gold in these.